Welcome to Civil Concept. In this video, we will learn how to calculate septic tank work quantity. Assume the septic tank dimensions. Length equals 8 feet, width equals 4 feet, depth equals 6 feet, wall thickness equals 9 inches or 0.75 feet, base slab thickness equals 6 inches or 0.5 feet, top slab thickness equals 5 inches or 0.42 feet. Now calculate the excavation. Excavation volume equals length times width times depth. So 8 times 4 times 6 equals 192.00 cubic feet. Part 2. Now let's calculate the PCC. PCC thickness is 4 inches, which is equal to 0.33 feet. PCC volume equals length times width times PCC thickness. So 8 times 4 times 0.33 equals 10.56 cubic feet. Next, calculate the RCC base slab. RCC base slab volume equals length times width times thickness. So 8 times 4 times 0.5 equals 16.00 cubic feet. Part 3. Now calculate the outer and inner volume of the septic tank. Outer volume equals length times width times depth. So 8 times 4 times 6 equals 192.00 cubic feet. Now calculate the inner size. Inner size equals length minus both side wall thickness times width minus both side wall thickness times depth. Both side wall thickness equals 0.75 plus 0.75 equals 1.5 feet. So 8 minus 1.5 times 4 minus 1.5 times 6 equals 6.5 times 2.5 times 6 equals 97.50 cubic feet. Part 4. Now calculate the brickwork volume. Brickwork volume equals outer volume minus inner volume. So 192.00 minus 97.50 equals 94.50 cubic feet. Now calculate the RCC top slab. RCC top slab volume equals length times width times top slab thickness. So 8 times 4 times 0.42 equals 13.44 cubic feet. For more civil engineering knowledge and free civil calculator, visit www.civilconcept.com.